Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to quick in-depth review about this AI platform, which is Mindgrasp AI. So we're going to review the pros and cons together with the viral conclusion about this platform to able to decide if this platform will be a better AI for you to use in 2025. So to get started with a quick overview, Mindgrasp AI in 2025 is a smart learning assistant that helps students, professionals, and lifelong learners quickly turn lectures, articles, and videos into study-ready materials like notes, summaries, flashcards, and quiz. And talking about the pros, it handles all kinds of content together with PDF, YouTube links, Zoom recording, or web articles. Mindgrasp turn them into helpful study tools. It also offers note summaries, QA, which is question and answer quiz, even AI tutoring based on the content or your content. It also have an easy access, so available on web. iOS, Chrome also works well with platforms like Canva or Blackboard. And here's the downside about this platform, which is the short free trial, which is only 4 days, and you need to enter a payment info. It also doesn't handle image heavy content or a diagram well, so it takes some getting used to, like you might feel overwhelmed at first when all its features. And here's the viral conclusion. So if you are a student or a professional who want to study smart or harder, it's a powerful tool for turning your content into study material, just like aware of its short trial and the learning curve at first. So that's it.